If you have forgotten your PIN lock, then you might face difficulties in getting access back to your Android. So in this video, I'll show you how to remove screen lock PIN on Android and verify PIN after factory reset. First, get in recovery mode on your Samsung phone. Then use volume down to select factory reset, and confirm factory data reset. After that, go to wipe cache partition, wait for a second, reboot your system, and set up your phone. Connect Wi-Fi when you set up. Next, if you meet an FRP lock, and don't know the Google password either, then how to bypass it. First, download and launch DroidKit on your computer. Choose FRP Bypass on DroidKit, and connect your Samsung to your computer. Click Start to prepare a configuration file for your device. After it is prepared, start to bypass. Follow the steps to get into recovery mode. Select the system version of your device. Follow the instructions to wipe the cache partition on your device. After the device enters the FRP interface, then sends a notification. Now you will bypass it and access your phone. Go to the Galaxy Store and download Alliance Shield. Then install it and sign up. After that, turn on Device Admin. Next, turn on Knox. Enter the App Manager and turn on Service Mode. Turn on USB Debugging in Developer Mode. Then go to General Management and Settings and reset your device. After that, it will be bypassing FRP. Please wait a minute patiently. And please set up your device normally once it restarts. The last bypass is completed. You remove all PIN locks on your Samsung device. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any question.